Hey everybody, welcome back to Lisa's Sand Travels. Chloe and I are on our way. Where are we going? Where are we going? Are we going to Lake Powell? Are we going to your favorite swimming hole ever on the planet? Alright. Okay. It's a rainy, stormy day here again. So, we were planning on going to Lake Powell, but just didn't quite know what day, and started thinking about last night. We're like, let's go, right? Let's go to your favorite water hole? Okay. So, a couple hours from now, we're gonna be at the coolest boat launch ever. All right. We'll see you guys soon. Come along with us.